Good morning class 7 students. As you know, in my previous videos we have completed the reading portion of chapter number 3 of geography. Today we are going to start with the discussion of the question answers. So the first question is, answer the following question. Why do the plates move? The answer of this question is, plate moves because of the movement of molten magma inside the earth. Second is, what are heterogenic and endogenic forces? Endo means inside the earth and exo means outside the earth, which we have discussed in the topic page number 12. The extrogenic and endogenic forces have been given. You can write the answer. Now we are going, what is erosion? The wearing away of landscape by different agents like water, wind, and ice is called erosion. What is the wearing away of landscape by different agents? It can be water, it can be wind, or it can be the ice, known as the erosion. Question number 4. How are floodplains formed? How are floodplains formed? What are floods? When the overflow of river its bank, its flood of the neighboring areas which deposited layers of the fine soil and other material called the sediment along with its bank. This leads to the formation of the flat fertile floodplain. Clear, student? What are sand dunes? The lower hill-like structure formed two deposits of sand at one place by the wind in the desert is called sand dunes. We have read in this. When it stopped blowing, it left off the transport sands from one place to another. When it stopped blowing, the sand falls and get deposited in the lower hill, the structure known as the sand dunes. Clear, class? How are beaches formed? Beaches are formed, see, is given over here, the sea waves. The sea wave deposits sediment along with the shore forms the beaches. How are Oxbow Lake formed? Oxbow Lake, due to the continuous erosion and deposition on the side of the meander and ends of the meander loop come closer and closer, which is sometime cut off from the given and forms of Oxbow Lake. It's given on page number here. See. Page number 15, second paragraph, the answer is given. What is Oxbow Lake? Clear, class? You can write in your own words. Now, question number 2. Take the correct answer. Question number 1. Which is not an erosional feature of the sea waves? Is beach. Second, the depositional feature of the glacier is moraine. Third question, which is caused by the sudden movement of the earth? Volcano. Fourth, mushroom rocks are found in desert. Fifth, Oxbow lakes are found in river valley. Now, our third question is, match the following. First one is glacier. The answer is rise of river of ice. Second is meander. The answer is D, river. Beaches. Third is beaches. The answer is seashore. Fourth is sand dunes. And the answer is desert. Fifth is waterfall. Answer is sea cliff. Sixth is earthquake. And the answer is vibration of the earth. Now, question number 4. Give reason. Some rocks have a shape of mushroom. See, students, here you are going to write, you are going to read the reasons of the answers. And here some rocks are shaped like mushrooms. Because of the floodplain are very fertile. Flood deposited in a layer of fine soil and other materials called sediment. That's why. Second is, floodplains are very floodplains are very fertile. Why the floodplains are very fertile? Because the soil deposited, a fine layer of soil is being deposited by the flood, and the material is known as the sediment. That's why it is ideal for cultivation. Sea caves are turned into stacks. because the crack become bigger and bigger only, the roof of the cave remains forming a sea arch. Further erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left. That's why it becomes so stack. Building collapse due to an earthquake, because during the earthquake vibrations take place and the epicenter and the outer and vibration travel from the epicenter to on as waves and propagates the surface of the earth, which produce sudden movements. That's why the winds collapse. Students, as we know, we have discussed the question answers with you, which is given on page number 17 and 18. These students, if you find any problem, you can take the help of the planner, which is easily available at the school. Thank you, class.